Not a flip, it's a fixer. We're gonna live here and work on this place top to bottom. 3,500 miles or so from where we've lived and worked. It was a big jump to do this. We do like the area, it's kind of fun. We'll see if we're gonna make it home. We'll fix this up first and decide if we wanna keep it, keep living in it, or if we wanna sell it. A lot of work to do, so there will be lots and lots of projects. I'll give you a tour, a quick tour of what is existing now so you can refer back to this video in the future as I go through and remodel things. But first, a word from our sponsor. I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Woodshop. If you want to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart woodshop for yourself or one of the Paulk smart workbenches, there's a link in the description of this video down below where you can go and purchase plans and download them instantaneously 24/7, 365. So this house was built in 1961. It is going to need work top to bottom. Just under 1,500 square feet on one level with a detached garage. Now it is attached with a breezeway, so I could get my Prius in here. Mainly gonna use this for storage. Again, it's pretty low. I've already really spent a lot of time cleaning up, and Chris is doing it as well. We've removed a lot of stuff. This had some cabins and things that I have already found homes for. I'm taking advantage that we're in a area that has traffic coming by, and we put stuff out in the corner free, and so a lot of stuff has been taken already. I'm going to be taking down these shelves here and this bench here. The back door goes into the laundry room and into the kitchen. This is our main entry into the house. It's locked right now, so I can't go in. One of the things I'm going to do early on is I'm going to get a digital keypad lock for this door so we can come and go, and also for the garage as well. So the front door just around the corner, slab on grade. It's got tile everywhere, no carpet. We'll be tearing up all of the tile. We haven't decided on the finishes yet. And there's Chris doing the most important thing, getting all the scum out. This is like a little sunroom out here. I'm guessing at one time there was doors, windows here, and this was a porch. They closed that in and opened it up. There's absolutely no insulation. It's almost a flat roof. There's a little slope to it. So got some plans for this area as well. And it's a pretty big lot. It's 9,400 square feet, which in the city is not a bad sized lot. This was that back door I was talking about from the garage. Get that open. Got some work to do on that door other than the lock. It squeaks a lot. And then the laundry. This rail here, I'm gonna pull this out pretty quick. A lot of stuff we've left, like I said, we've really scrubbed and cleaned and done the minimum stuff to kind of make it livable. But now, after I'm getting this video done and kind of documenting where everything's at, we're gonna start to fix things up pre-remodel. These shelves here, they're gonna come out. And I picked up a TV, smart TV. I think it's 65 or something. Haven't bought, it's not a super high end, just a good, smart TV and 4K, so good enough. And then I picked up a piece of furniture, the kind you build yourself, like from Target, and that's just good. It's just going to get us through. I didn't want to hang the TV on the wall, so we're going to put it right there. Already got a light here we picked up at Costco. This one is a flush LED, and I'm going to put that on the ceiling and take this fan out right there. We're gonna just do an entry light here. This is our guest bathroom. The bathrooms are gonna be remodeled top to bottom. Probably gonna move the walls, the plumbing fixtures themselves. So we're gonna use the space, and we may actually expand the space a little bit. It's even this, we put these shower curtains in and cleaned it up. It was a mess. We put a new shower head on already, but they kind of did their own little, I don't know, something out of copper, a homemade deal. Obviously, we don't care. It works great because the bathroom will be completely, nothing in here will be left. This is the guest room. The rooms are pretty good size. There's only 2 bedrooms, and we're gonna leave this fan. Well, what I think we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of the fans that are a little more compact out of the other area where we're not gonna use it, put it in here. And then I'll be taking these curtains out and these shelves out. I'm going to put these out by the street. Hopefully somebody will take them. We have blinds, so that's good enough. We're not curtain people. And I went ahead and picked up another one of these shelves. I've had these, I love these things. I get them at Costco. And I've had up to 30 of these, sold them all on Craigslist. Had to go pick up just one here for, a need I have. I used to buy these at Costco for I think either 69 or 79. They're now 119, so they're still a good deal, but they've sure gone up. And the doors are actually pretty nice. We won't be keeping them unless we decide to paint them, but they're not our style, but they're solid wood door. So probably get those to the Restore or donate them to Habitat. And then this is the main bedroom. And it's barely a walk-in. Have to pull string it, but it'll do. We don't have, we're not clothes horses, so we got plenty of closet space. We need to add maybe a couple of drawers or something down temporarily. And then this is the main bedroom's bathroom, the ensuite. And again, it's going to be completely redone. Right now we can use the sink, but we don't use the shower. We did the first couple of days and then it clogged up. Shower doors, I've just popped them off. They were really scummy. Chris scrubbed them and scrubbed them, so they're a lot cleaner now. But we decided that we're just going to abandon those. I'll pull this out here, and I'm going to put in a hotel bar up there with a curtain. A lot of things we're doing will be just little minor things in the beginning to make it so that we're comfortable here and if we have guests. I hope that we can have a lot of fun with this. We can really take the Smart Woodshop on location. We also have the outside, the landscaping to do, so I'll be jumping out there pulling on. Mostly at this point, I'm not going to add any landscaping, but I have beautiful palm trees. I'm going to have those trimmed up and cleaned up. And there's a lot of plantings around. I'm just going to pull them up and get rid of them. They're not bad plants, but they've gotten sort of weedy and they're going to be in the way for what we do in the future. So we'll be updating the landscaping all the way around, but we're going to wait until the construction is done. We're on an island. We're in southwest Florida in a little town called Venice. We're on the island. Beautiful location. Exactly 1 mile from here to the west is a gorgeous beach right on the Gulf of Mexico. White sand, turquoise water. And I'm not exaggerating a mile. It's 9/10 of a mile to the parking lot and then another 10th to walk out in the sand. So we can jump on our bikes or walk there pretty easy. Town, gorgeous, historic Venice, cute little town, is 1.6 miles that way. So we go down this road, take a right, and go straight in. Easy walk, and we've done it many, many times. And then, I don't have my big garage for the Smart Woodshop, but keep watching. I have an idea for this. I'm gonna see if the city's gonna let me do it. You can see my palm trees, I love those. I got a big pine over there that's in good shape. We got a lot of really nice plants around, but we're gonna pull them up. We'll try to save some of them in pots if we can. Right here, I've got my free pile, and it's way down. I had so much stuff out here, I'm so excited. Had a porch swing and just some artwork that was left in the house, and lots of other like garage cabinets and things. I'm not going to be doing this like a professional remodeler that I work for other clients. Normally I would go in and give them a bid and say, it's going to take me 8 weeks, it's going to take me 12 weeks, and they would have to move out, and then we would get in and hit it hard. I'd have everything ordered, the cabinets, the finishes, the slabs would be set aside for the countertops. It would be all ready to go. Everything would be scheduled before we kicked them out and did our first demo. We knew, I planned right down to where it was going to finish before we did the first thing. This is not going to be that. This is going to be more of the do-it-yourself style. We're going to be living there. It's going to slow things down. We are going to have a master plan. After we clean it up and get some details done, we'll have a master plan. I'll take you through that process as well. But we're going to break it up into bite-sized pieces. If you like these videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up. It really helps to drive the algorithm so other people will find the channel. Also, subscribe and ring the bell so you'll know, YouTube will let you know when I put up a new video so you won't miss any of these. And if you want to support the channel, those are free ways you can do it, just by thumbs up and subscribing. But also you can purchase any of our plans, where you go to that link in the description of the video and you can purchase plans and then download them 24/7, 365. And that's instantaneously. You don't have to wait. You get them digitally right to your computer right now. And also you can use our Amazon store or some of our affiliate links, where they'll give you their same everyday price, but they'll share a little bit with us. Hey, thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop, now located in Florida. You stay safe and have a great day.